So there is no secret that AI is going to change the way how we capture leads and gonna be massively improving the speed to lead ratio and how quickly we reach out to our leads. Because now AI can call your leads and reach out to them as soon as they sign up from your ads, from your content, from anywhere within your funnel, and book in meetings, discovery calls, even consultations, whatever you want them to do. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate an AI caller within your existing systems and files so that you can reach out to your leads as soon as humanly possible and lock in their interest as quick as possible. Now, if you think that this is gonna be a rocket science on how we're gonna integrate AI callers within ad funnels and call leads as soon as they sign up, trust me, it's gonna be just taking 10 minutes for me to set up this and show you how easy and simple it is to implement in any existing business or any existing funnel. You just need to watch this video till the very end, where I'm going to showing you the step-by-step process of how to do that, how to write prompts, how to convert that prompts into an API call that can be integrated within our ad funnels, our forms, type form, tally forms, whatever you use, and then call your leads. As well as I'm going to be showing you an appointment booking system on Link.com, which you can further integrate within your ad callers to analyze whosoever booked in a call with you, to again send them emails, send them calendar invites and all that stuff. So stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Arojan, and as you can tell, I build AI skills agents that can either cold call leads or even call warm leads and qualify them as your ICP, as well as book meetings and like literally do anything that you want to do with your leads. So without further ado, let's kickstart this video. So here we are on Make.com, and we're gonna be setting up this very quickly, so pay attention. First of all, I'm gonna Facebook lead ads, where we are gonna add the trigger as a new lead. So as soon as we get a new lead, it's gonna trigger itself. Choose hook. I've already set up a connected my Facebook ad account with this. It's pretty easy to do, so you just have to click 2 buttons and you will be good to go. I have selected the fields to select all. Make sure you do the same to get all the data about the leads and everything we require for this automation to work. The next step is to add in a HTTP module, and for this make a request, and this is going to be responsible for as soon as we get a lead from Facebook, Blind can go ahead and call that lead. Now, how to fill up this? First of all, for the URL on where to send our API request to, go to this site and copy this URL. Basically, Blind has its own documentation to how to use API and all. So just copy paste that method, not get, it should post. Headers, just put 1 header in here, authorization, and the value, just go on to your Blind AI account, go to API keys, copy that API key, and then just paste this here to make sure that Blind uses our account to send this. Body type raw, content type JSON, application JSON. And now how this is request content. This is the main thing that I'm gonna showing you how to do this. Basically this contains our prompt, the number that we have to call and all that stuff. Now, just to save time for the video, I've already created a prompt for you guys, which is just a basic simple prompt to call and follow up with these leads. I'm just copy and paste this into Blind infrastructure here. Leave this phone number as blank because it's going to be dynamic for every single person. Choose your voice, interruption threshold and all that stuff. I will hit the recording to on, answered by as well as on. And for the webhook URL, now this is the place where it should be the webhook URL of our booking system or our booking process, which I have already built for you guys. Again, you're gonna be getting all of these resources in the link down below, so don't worry, you don't have to build this thing up from scratch. Now just copy this webhook, this webhook URL, go ahead and just copy this here. Now we are like absolutely ready to go. Just number is missing, and I'm going to tell you why it's missing for now. Because we are not going to be sending calls from this VLAN infrastructure. We're going to be using the code that it has created, that it has automatically created for us uh, to trigger calls. Now all you have to do after you fill up this form as you want to, like how you want to train your AI callers to the voice settings, all that stuff, just go ahead and copy paste from this curly bracket to this curly bracket. Copy this. Now I built a blind JSON assistant which is going to be helping us to convert all of this code and parse it down correctly, because the format that plan gives us this code is not suitable for make.com here. So you just have to use my assistant that I've created, which I will also link down in the description. Just copy paste this here and tell it to format this JSON payload correctly. Now all this mess is going to be organized within 5 to 10 seconds, and we will have our code that could be used in make.com to give these calls. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, now just again copy paste this into request content here, and just to make sure the variables that we have here, like hi, this is Robert Williams for your company name, just like remove this variable and do this. For the customer's name, you have to make sure that you have like a block in your ad account in like Facebook where you get your customer name, and once you have that and I have connected the exact same form to make.com here, you will see all of the fields that the customer has filled up, the full name, email and phone number. So I'll just go ahead and like am I speaking to whatever the name is, again like remove the name variables from here and fill in with the correct variables from Facebook. So yep, this is how it goes. And for the phone number, you will also have the customer to put down their phone number so that they can be contacted. And we have everything, like basically everything ready here. All we need to do is just test this, and I'm going to show you a better way to test this rather than make.com. Is just again copy this code. Yeah, copy this code, go to Postman. Now again what we have to do is just fill in the details, host to this link, set the headers. First of all, authorization, put down your plan API key in here, again and the content type is gonna be application JSON. Then we are good from here. For the body part, make this is selected to JSON and raw, and all we need to do is now go ahead and paste this thing here. Also just to make sure, for testing you would have to put down your number here, so I'm just like putting my Sphere phone number here. Now we are good to go and test it. Just like for testing purpose, send this, and if this returns status code 200, which is 200, okay, call successfully through, we have our one. This is it, guys. So this is how you can use AI callers within your Facebook ad integrations and make sure that every single customer is being reached out to in due time. Just two modules for the main automation, for the call initiating automation, and for the booking process you'll get this same automation in the description down below. So make sure that you use it wisely within your ad funnels and be smart and like play around with it, because if you have the more data you have on your customers, the more personalized you can make this caller and add in more variables rather than just like personalizing by name. In here you can say like, hey, I saw you signed up for XYZ offer, is this a good time to chat, and like stuff like that, which will make this a killer strategy for your Facebook ads. and get you so many booked appointments out of your leads. So thanks so much for today. This is gonna, as I said, this is gonna be a short video. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye, peace.